friends, so many of you are targeting your higher education from abroad, and in my recent conversation with students, there is one question which every other student is asking me, ma'am, how to get fully funded masters, direct PhD and PhD in top global universities. Here the point comes is what approach, what strategies we are following to get this masters, direct PhD and PhD, that too fully funded in top global universities. Okay, so you are what students tell me, ma'am, we are filling up the application forms, we are applying for the universities, but we are not getting fully funded scholarships. What all method we have to follow here? So guys, now let me tell you a very interesting fact how to get this fully funded scholarship. Okay, so if you are in your undergrad and you want to go for masters by research or direct PhD, and after your masters you want to go for PhD, and that too for fully funded scholarship, friends, here you have to target the professors through warm emailing. Okay, so now let me tell you this concept of warm emailing. I have made a full-fledged video of this warm emailing. What are things you have to mention in your mail, and then you have to warm email the professor, because here the professor will give you the scholarship and not the university. Okay, because the professor will be working on that research particular research area, and he is liable to provide you with the scholarship. When you will warm email the professor, you will write all each of these things, like what is your research inclination and how this research inclination or your research experience is matching with the research experience of that particular professor, so that the professor can make a connect. Through this particular warm emailing, the professor will make the connect, and then he will be further showing interest in your profile, which will further help you get the fully funded scholarship for your MS, direct PhD and PhD. So here the total point is, try to warm email the professors, and here your PDF Global team will definitely help you how you can find the professors according to your research inclination, how you have to warm email them, what are things you have to write, what are documents you want to attach. So all these things will be guided to you by your PDF experts. Okay, and mind my words, friend, in the countries like US, you are getting a very good scholarship in MS, and that is equivalent to the scholarship you are getting in your direct PhD and PhD. For the students who have research inclination in masters of research, if you want to go for masters of research in the countries like USA, you will get a very good scholarship as compared to PhD also. Okay, so the masters by research, it is of 2 years, and if I talk about direct PhD, it is somewhere around 4.5 to 5 years. And PhD is also the same as direct PhD, 4.5 to 5 years. So friends, if you also want fully funded scholarships, connect your PDF Global team mentors so that we can help you boost up your profile and apply in top global universities to get fully funded scholarships. Thank you so much.